Today I am going to discuss Python essay type question. In this question I have focused how to read and write to a text file. We'll go through the question. Spark Autos collect, stores and process data about its customers. It collects the names and postal addresses of customers. This data is stored in a comma separated text file called address with one record per line. The file contains over 5,000 records. Part of the file is shown. Now look at I have given 4 records that has included in that file. We'll continue the question. Spark Autos want to send a newsletter only to customers whose postcode begins with PP, and these filtered customer details record into text file called letters. Write relevant Python program for Sparky Autos. Now in this question you have 5,000 records. In these records, now you can see the samples records. Your records is starting with the postal code. So according to this question, we have to find out what are the records that start with postal codes having PP and write them to a text file called letters. So we'll see how to do this type of a question. Now I have given my address file, that is notepad text file. The records are looks like this. It is already there. It's already there according to the question. So look at my Python program. I'm going to explain line by line. Here first line, I have opened address.txt, that is there above this text file, and my mode is R means read. So I am reading that file. Then I have opened another file called letter. Its mode is W, that is I am going to write my filtered record to this file. So I am using for loop for x in f. So x is one variable, you can take any variable. F means the file that I have already opened to read, that is address. So when I use this for loop, it will automatically go from the beginning to end of file. That means each record, each line will be read until end of file. So when I am reading, I will take the inside this for loop a equal x dot split, then delimiter I have given comma. So in this line, what is happening? So each that x means the first line. If you take the for loop x at the first line, it is split the record where you have the commas. Now if you go through the first record here in the top of that text file, pp12 9ap is one part, white is one part, Winston is one part, 67 another, Willie Street another one, Martinsville another part. That means in this line it will split by using a comma, and it is stored as a list inside the variable a. Now I have a list inside a which has items as separated with commas. Then b equal a0, that means I am taking the first element. 0 means first element of the list and assign it to b. Then I am using if condition b colon 2. Now when you put colon 2 means it is a string method that it reads letters from 0 and 1. That means 2 letters will be read, not the third letter, only 2 letters will be read. I have explained this stuff in my Python lesson video, you can go through them. So with if condition I am checking first 2 letter equal to pp. If it is equal to pp, I am going to print. I am using the print command. Here a means the variable, that means whole thing, that is a whole line, whole record will be written in file called g, that is g is I have opened the file called letter. So by using the print, without print command you can use g dot write command even possible. So there are different ways of doing that. So I am using I feel it's easy for me. So print, so whatever the record, that is A, then file equal G, that means the letter file I am writing that record. Then again go to the next record. So until the end of file, this loop is executing. If the first two letters starting, that is postal code, first two letters starting with P records will be recorded in or will be written inside the letter.txt file. Then after that I have to close these two files, f.close and g.close, otherwise you are getting error message. We'll see the output. Now I have given a screenshot of my output file, letter notepad. Now see two records, you can see pp12 9ap and pp083tr has written inside my letter file. Now this program, you can, so if someone think a different way, you can come out with another solution, another different solution. It is possible in programming, you can give different solution for same scenario, same problem. So it doesn't matter in the exam even, it is not sticking to one program, that is solution. You can have several different solutions. Still, if the output is the same, you will be getting marks. So I think you can understand this part, this question. So practice this type of question. Have a nice day.